Hi everyone. Today we are building a smart boom barrier system, a perfect mini project to understand automation, just like what you see at parking lots and toll booths. Let's start with what you need: an Arduino, IR sensor, servo motor. You can use any servo motor like SG90, and the IR sensor should be a reflective type for detecting nearby objects. Here's how to connect everything. Connect IR sensors VCC to 5 volt, GND to GND, and out to digital pin 2. Connection for servo motor. Connect signal to pin 9, VCC to 5 volt, and GND to GND. Here is a quick breakdown of the code. The IR sensor constantly checks for an object. When it detects one, the servo motor rotates to lift the barrier. After a delay, it goes back down. Some IR sensors output low when the object is detected. Adjust if needed. As soon as the IR sensor detects an object, the boom lifts, just like a real checkpoint. After a few seconds, it comes down. Simple, smart, and super cool. If you like this project, hit that like button, subscribe for more such videos, and comment below what you want to see next. See you soon.